Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, let's take a look at Tesla stock. We are seeing a brutal sell-off on Tesla, which is not surprising to me. If you have seen my video yesterday, I already talked about since we sold off post earnings in the post market yesterday, usually we do see a follow through in the price action. If things go up, they continue to go up after earnings, right? If that's what has happened. But if we see a gap down or sell off in our post earnings or in the post market, we usually see then a follow through in that direction. So in this case, it was downside direction. And Tesla sold off quite brutally, right? This was the level I was talking about. If we can stay above 227 today, some rebound is a possibility. We never even opened up around 227. We opened below that and just sold off. Now, there are a couple of things though. Well, before that also, I want to let you know, none of this is any financial advice, guys. This is only for education purposes. Now, I want to show you my day trading bot. That was still able to make money. And again, guys, there's guarantee of nothing. My tools are only for education purposes. Use them at your own risk. But I want to show you that the bot was still able to make profitable money today and overall net profitable as well. We are on Tesla stock. So I'm happy. Not happy with what the Tesla stock is doing, but happy with my bot. So anyways, if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. Just please note, these are only for education purposes. You can use them however you like at your own risk and responsibility. All right. So yes, speaking of the sell-off, well, so yes, we expected that. Once we also lost this 234 yesterday in the post market, pretty much things were over on the uptrend, and that was it. Tesla changed the chart structure. It's in the downtrend, and right now I'm not seeing any sign of upside on this. So what are the levels to watch? So what I'm watching is this 50 days moving average and 200 days moving average. It's coinciding at pretty much same level around 204. So that's the zone to watch. Now it's not in an uptrend, just keep that in mind. So I want to see price action and reaction where it will find support. Otherwise, no, it's just going to continue to fall. There's just, that's what it is. Today was also pretty much a short overall in general in the downtrend. Yes, my day trading bot gave a buy profitable position in that little bit of movement that came. But what I'm trying to say is that overall structure is bearish though, all right? And you can intraday trade long and short both according to however you want to trade. And so even though it was still a, technically overall long running short play, right? And then there was a little bit of a long play that my bot gave here in the buy, right? So now what to watch? So hourly interval is what we want to see. Now for tomorrow, again, we have to trade with the level. Though the structure is in the downtrend, lower highs, lower lows, if any rebound has to come, Tesla has to hold above $212 to $214. If Tesla holds above this range and you see this forms this pivot here and we get above this area of consolidation, there is likelihood that we can continue up again to 226. That's a likely possibility, but I won't say more than that. It's just going to be a rebound. It's not a long good play. It's just a rebound. And then if we start to reject there, it's just a short continuation to the downside. All right. So at this point, structure is still to the downtrend. This is the time to take partial profits or whatever profits you want to take. Size out your position in the short if you have it in this downtrend once we lost the blue box. And then if rebound comes, for that you have to see it doesn't break any leg lower. That will make it a double bottom, and then we break out of this neckline. Some rebound may come then to these levels above. But that would be it. Nothing more than that, guys, right now, in my opinion. And if we break level by level to the upside, then some rebound may continue. But as long as now we stay below this 234 area, bottom line of the blue box, technically that's still just a rebound in the overall structure of the downtrend. Tesla is in downtrend, okay? Just keep that in mind. So that's that. Is there anything else? Well, let's go to the 5 minutes interval. And there are a couple of things I want to show you around there as well. And this is something, some levels will show up tomorrow as well. And you can also use pretty much, if we can get above 224 tomorrow, this rebound can continue up to 234. Otherwise, no. right? Otherwise, if we continue to break level to the downside, 202 is a possibility on Tesla. So Tesla can make its way to $200 as well if it just continues this downtrend and doesn't show any rebound. But for the levels to watch, as I said just right now, right, 214 area with 212, there's a significant level sitting down there. And then from there on, if we continue back again to the upside, breaking some levels, right, like this zone pretty much just, so if I go back to the 5 minutes interval, there is one zone I provided, this 223, but you can start to see, yeah, that will be the one though, yeah. And then you can see if it continues to go up above, then next level. So if we hold this level, some rebound to the next level, the up here, and if we get above that, then 234 is a possibility. Otherwise, as if we continue to reject the price reaction at this level and we just continue to form lower highs, then it's, yeah. And if we continue also like breaking 214, Tesla can just continue lower because overall structure is in the downtrend. There's nothing much, guys, here today on Tesla. It's just the structures to the downside. That's what I talked about as well. Now, also though, guys, in my dividend portfolio, the one that I have that I talk about on my junior trader dividend investing channel, link to this channel is in the description of this video. I'm buying some tech ETF stocks. So because market is falling, tech is collapsing, but I'm buying into this dividend ETFs. If you want to follow along, check out the videos on this channel of mine and subscribe here as well if you want to follow along, and link to this will be in the description of this video. Guys, there's nothing much more on Tesla to talk about today. Yeah, this is the level to watch, and if we hold 200 days moving average, that's fine. If we don't, we just break, but that will be the zone if Tesla can hold this over here. We'll have to see the price reaction over there. Nothing, we can't do anything blindly. And if I take it to the weekly interval, we have lost 200 weeks moving average. And yeah, right now, it all comes down to where we would find some pivot. Right now, I'm not seeing any pivot or supports forming, but I gave you the levels to watch and the price action to watch if that happens. All right, but yeah, the structure on this will not change now unless and until we get into and above this 234. There's just this rebound. Even if that comes as for the levels I provided, that will just be a downtrend rebound though. All right, yeah, so it's a precarious place where Tesla is in. Again, just trade it intraday or swing, however you want to do it, but yeah, technically we're in the downtrend. Intraday, the levels that I provided, you can trade both up or down there. And guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I already talked about NVIDIA. Well, I'll do another semiconductors video today. I talked about already on SPY and QQQ in my videos with the tech stocks. Check SPY and QQQ out over there. And you can see we broke the blue box, selling off since then. And yes, SPY is in the downtrend. And then also QQQ is in the full-on downtrend. Yeah, QQQ was already broken quite before, but yeah. But to know more about it, I have talked about it in my video on my channel already. So yeah, quite a brutal sell-off as well today. Like tech stocks are just collapsed. Again, I talked about tech stocks as well in my video. I want to put up on here the short volume percent as well. And yeah, let's do that. I'm interested to see yesterday's short volume, which was, yeah, 35, that's fine. But anyways, we were already having a lot of short sellers piling up here, right? So they didn't have any reason to cover or buy it back to give the squeeze because price action never broke again to the upside, right, of that structural area. So yeah, they're still possibly holding and maybe pounding more. Today's data will come later. But yeah, they are definitely in the money right now. All right. But yeah, these squeezes will only happen if the structure breaks to the upside. That was happening here when they tried to pile up like 40%. Things kept breaking up, right? And this kept covering because you can see next day it was less. Then they came again 46. They ended up covering. That also gave the squeeze. And then, but once they stabilized here and price action didn't break any structure to the upside, they just stayed and kept piling, right? So you can see 44, 41% there as well. Alright guys, well that's it for this video, and if you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below, and I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.